As you can see, this is Samsung Galaxy A55. These things happen due to an accidental damage and it's completely broken to pieces. Motherboard looks pretty cool. There is no damage, seems. And then also all the flex cable and wires are okay. There is no issues. So today in this video, I'll try to restore it by installing the new screen, housing, and rest of the components. So hopefully that would be something surprising. I hope everything will be fine. So let's put it together. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble your Samsung Galaxy A55, or if you'd like to replace the screen, that would be the same procedure. So everything looks present here except the vibrator. Vibrator, I did not find it. It seems it's broken, so I'm gonna order the new one. But let's try, because vibrator shouldn't stop or preventing from the power up if everything is fine. So here is all the screws. There are two types of screws. Silver screws only for the mid frame, and couple of screws dark, which is black, for the main board and for the charging board. Okay, so once everything taken out carefully, I just got the brand new service pack screen. This is from Samsung. It's the official pack, means genuine, and I always prefer to have genuine screen, especially when I replace any screen for Samsung smartphone, because the copy one might cheap, but their quality is so poor and there is no point to replace it. If you replace it, if you have some issues with the touch, then the pixel, is horrible if you get the cheap one. Okay, so as you can see, this is the genuine screen pack and it comes with the mid frame. Also, I can see there are a couple of things included. One is the power button, volume button, and rest is blank. So we're gonna take those films out and we'll assemble it. Hopefully you would enjoy the rest of the video. At this point, we're going to put all the screws for the mid frame. Now you're going to give it a test to check if everything is fine. At the same time, while it turns on, we're going to put the back frame on, the battery cover. By the way, this is copy. I never got any genuine one. I don't know where to find it. But it seems pretty simple and similar. So here's the lens protector. Very careful when you touch it, because if you touch, you're going to leave the fingerprints on it, and then that might affect the actual lens clarity. So I can see everything looks fine, and this phone survived. So this is the first time I found Samsung Galaxy A series A55 quite strong. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.